The escaping carrot. One day, in a big garden,
There was a carrot. He didn't want to be eaten, so he decided to escape. The carrot pulled itself out of the soil. It started to roll on the ground. A little rabbit saw the rolling carrot. The rabbit asked,
Carrot, where are you going?
The carrot answered, I'm running away. I don't want to be eaten. The rabbit said,
But you'll get dry if you run around.
The carrot didn't listen. It kept rolling. After a while, the carrot felt very dry. It was too late. It couldn't go back to the soil. Just then, a kind gardener came. The gardener put the carrot back into the soil. The carrot was so happy it learned a lesson.